by the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct in northeast Wales. I'm here to film a video, but I've kind of stumbled upon a filming location. They're actually filming some scenes for the PEAKY Blinders film here. And there's like a helicopter filming the aqueduct at the moment. They're opening the path now. I think they're closing it every half hour. You can see the aqueduct now. I was hoping to get some drone footage, but that's going to be out of the question now. Yeah, like I said, they're closing the path every half an hour. And there's a helicopter flying over filming this barge here, I think. Crew member clocked me early on with a camera, so they arranged for a security guard to escort me off the aqueduct. He was okay though. All the security guards seem to be from South Wales.
Yeah, it's been one of those things.
Okay.
That's right.
Am I going to be able to go back though? I'm going to have to wait some.
So we're going to close off again.
Okay.
So walking through this way now.
So like half an hour, Joe. I'm the other side of the aqueduct now. The aqueduct's going to be closed for half an hour, so I'm going to have to wait. We've parked the filming helicopter here. And there's some production vehicles about as well. I think I'll probably postpone the video I was planning to do here. I'll try and film some of the stars if I can, but the problem is I've never watched the series. I couldn't remember his name at the time, but it's Cillian Murphy who's the main star in Peaky Blinders. I caught him on film twice, even though they were trying to hide him with brollies. That's black badge you can see in the distance. They're using that in the filming. And I think they're using another one or two badges further along as well. The helicopter's moved into position now, so I think they're about to start filming soon. I'll try and film some of the cast members if I can for you. Apologies for not being able to bring you the usual type of video today, but I thought some of you might be fans of Peaky Blinders and might be interested in having a look behind the scenes, so to speak. Okay, they're in between takes now, so we can cross the aqueduct.
Thank you.
You can cross now, yeah? Nice. I think they're only filming for another hour, but it started to rain now. Cillian Murphy's in that building there. I saw him going in. A little bit of an unusual video for you today. This is how they got the badge back.
down.
Oh, yeah.
So it became a bit of a running joke every morning.
The shots that they're filming here is going to look amazing, I think. Look at the scenery. Not every day you see a Hollywood A-lister. Just on my way home now, just stopped the car here. Turned out to be an interesting day. Although it's kind of ruined my plans to make a video about a werewolf attack. But I guess I'll revisit that video at a later date. There might be a slight delay before the next video because I'm going on a plane this week. I'm going to be making a couple of videos abroad. So keep an eye out for that. Okay guys, I'll finish with some music and some more clips from today. And we'll see you on the next one.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried. All the years that I've wasted trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear